What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today we're looking at QuickAds, an AI-powered platform that helps you discover, analyze, create and publish ad creatives that are market-tested and on-brand. Struggling to find on-brand content that converts? QuickAds is here to help. This platform can sort and analyze millions of social ads by industry and category to find the best performers in your market. With QuickAds Discover feature, you can filter content by format, platform or country. And unlike Meta's ads library, you can also filter for industry and best performing ads. In seconds, you'll get loads of highly vetted results across TikTok, YouTube and Meta. Found an ad you like, click, rating, and then the AI will analyze it and generate some key insights. You'll get performance scores on message clarity, audience engagement, visual appeal, audio quality and brand alignment, saving you hours and hours of market research. And it gets better. You can instruct the AI to report on the theme, product type, tone, target audience, and even drill down to specific strengths, weaknesses and suggestions for the hook, ideas and offerings. Now here's the quick and dirty. There are only 100 licenses up for grabs for QuickAds Tier 4 and 5 plans, both of which unlock unlimited brand accounts and static image creatives, along with white labeling and loads of other perks. So grab a license while supplies last, because they're going fast. Let's talk image generation. QuickAds offers over 10,000 static image combinations organized by industry, use case and customer lifecycle stage. Just enter your website URL and define size requirements. And just like that, boom, you get loads of high-quality images that are on brand and market-tested. Want something more creative? Just enter a prompt into the AI photography tool to cook up something unique to your brand. Once you've got your image, you can change the design, resize it, or bulk copy with just one single click. If all of that wasn't enough, QuickAds' new video features can fast-track your video content. All it takes is a URL, a simple idea, and one click from there. QuickAds will whip up 30 video variations using AI images and Getty's premium stock library. And this platform's workflow is specifically designed for advertisers and marketers, so you'll be able to trim the video, swap out footage, change the audio transitions, add framework, and even modify the AI voiceover. And once your creatives are good to go, you can publish across major platforms like Meta, Google, and TikTok. With QuickAds, your entire workflow is covered from ideation to launch, so lock in your lifetime access to this repeat deal right now.